to take a step out.
Today I'm just going to be doing like a no makeup look. I'm going to do it very quickly. This is just how like the makeup I do when I don't want to look like barefaced. I want to look like I'm alive. So I've carved my pencil. I always do that. So I'm just filling in my brows really quickly. If you know me, I'm not a fan of foundation, so today I'm not going to wear foundation. Where's my concealer I was just using? I found it. I think this might be too much concealer. Anyway, the spread and blend. Oh, do you guys feel like makeup is very therapeutic? Like today, maybe you can feel, but I'm not feeling my best. But as I'm doing this makeup now, I feel so relaxed. Getting YouTube comments always so so cute. A very bright blush. I'm obsessed with blush. Like, just make me alive. Make me alive. Blushed. Oh, mm, mm. You guys should do your makeup often. Like, I was feeling so bad today, and I just said, you know what? Let me film this YouTube and let me do my makeup. Talking to you guys, and look at me. I'm already alive. I thought I was down in the dumps, but I'm alive and well now. So, what lesson did you learn? Do your makeup anytime you feel sad. Get your brushes ready and just do your makeup. I keep getting messages from these food people that I ordered from, and they are really upsetting me at this point. So let's forget them, because makeup is making us look good and feel good. So more blush, more blush. Just blush out the sadness, blush out the sadness. Sometimes I like to put a little blush on my nose. I feel like I should be doing this a little drunk, a little intoxicated, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's be children of God. Powder here. I contour my nose a little bit. Contour my nose a little bit. So now to contour my nose. It's not really. So that's not really contouring. That's just like putting dark powder. Now it's time to set. Now tell me what is not satisfying about this, what is not therapeutic about this. I just feel like everything is fine, everything is well, peace surrounds me, I attract only good and positive vibes, I am healthy, wealthy, and I'm intelligent. I gravitate towards wealth, I gravitate towards health, I gravitate towards positivity. We're almost done and we're already feeling better. Makeup just makes me feel so good sometimes. And today is one of those times. So, woo! So I'm just going to be using mascara and maybe a bit of eyeliner. Maybe not even any eyeliner. No, I'm going to use eyeliner. Not even eyeshadow. No eyeshadow. Mascara, eyeliner, no eyeshadow, and then lips, and we're done. Just going to wear a clear gloss. I'm feeling like clear gloss today. Like, doing makeup just makes me feel like just a girl. I am just a girl. If you guys would like to see more of my face, please comment down below and tell me what you'd like me to do, what you'd like me to try new things kind of girl. See you guys next weekend. Bye.